guys, today we are going to be talking about state and local governments. Your essential question for the day is, how is our state government organized? Hint, it's going to be very similar to the national government. We're going to take a short set of notes on federalism. It's literally 2 slides. And then at the end of those notes, we're going to create a graphic organizer, and you guys will do a web search to fill in that graphic organizer on how Minnesota's government is organized. Reminder in your homework, the research notes were due on Friday, but you can still turn those in for full points. If you're missing any slides, you can go ahead and unsubmit it on Google Classroom, complete those, and turn those in for full points back. 12 Angry Men movie reflection sheet is due today, and then I think we actually have 10 more days until the end of the term, so we are getting down there. Okay, so a quick update on the final. You guys may have remembered at the beginning of the school year, we talked about that required Minnesota civics test that we need to take at the end of this class. We still are required to take it, even though we've been a mix of hybrid and distance learning. And most of the other teachers use this required test as their final. It's 50 questions. They don't allow retakes or test corrections. We're not going to do that. Instead, to make it a little easier and less stressful for you guys, instead of making it 50 points, where if you do poorly, like it really affects your grade, we're only going to make it 25 points. So that means each question is only worth half points. So that allows you to miss a lot more questions, but still get a decent grade on it. So that's why I did that. And then I know that 50 questions is a lot of questions to sit down, focus, and take a test on in one day. So instead of doing that, because I know as a high schooler, I probably would just start racing through the very end and then make some mistakes and miss some points. So instead of doing the test all in one day, next week, you're just going to take 10 questions of the test per day. So we're going to break it up so that way it's not so long for you guys. And you guys will be able to retake any part of that final, and I will take your highest score as your final score. Okay, so it'll be broken up 10 questions per day, and you guys will be able to retake it until you're happy with your score. So hopefully that alleviates some stress for you guys. The last thing that you need right now with what's going on in our nation and the end of the term is just extra stress. Okay, so hopefully this takes off some of that stress. All right, what you guys are going to be doing today is taking a short set of notes. You're going to use the notes video in order to help you out with that. And then at the very end of that notes video, I go over the graphic organizer and what you need to do for that. And I give you an example in case you're not quite sure how to set up your graphic organizer.